Welcome to my channel. We often play with text files which have numerous data, means a lot of data we used to find data from that. We often use Control F for the finding the words like this, Control F, and this video is all about using of regular expressions in the Notepad++. So this technique is mostly used by programmers, but it is not oftenly used by analysts who do not code but analyze the data. So, for example, I have taken this file which is wiki-SQL file, which is public available, and let's start with playing this file. Okay, so when we start with this, we oftenly do what we do is finding some kind of data like this is 6 years. So what we do, we select this thing uh, and we control F in 6 years and we just find all the current documents. So I want to check that how many times where at what location 6 years is written. So I can see this is showing me 6 years at 4 locations, so in the line number 22 and this thing, but in the third I can see this is the issue, that is not 6 year but is 36 years. So I can handle by adding more space in the starting, but still if I want to do some different type of work, like I know there's some years but I don't know the number, like it is a 6 or 7, 8, 12, 30 something. So how can we can do that? So we can do by control F, selecting regular expression, and as we know starting is we are selecting digits, and digit can be more than one digit, and then there will be some space, so space is with S, and space can be a multiple space. We still assume this, and if I do this and now I select the find all in the current document, now see the difference. Now I'm able to see 7 years, 20 years, 12 years, 17 years and 13 years and 25 years also, 36. So I can see there's a total 15 search results, uh, which we often didn't find because I don't know that is a 6 or 7, because that was a hard-coded style. So okay, now if I go above that, I can see this is written like for 6 years, of 36 years, with 7 years, or for 17 years. How can I find which is also selecting 4 words, like, right? So my expression was this. So now I can add 4, just 4, then space is with this, and that's it. Or if it is 4 is starting with the issue, we can find with space also. So this is space for 6 years, space for 20 years, space for 12 years, space for 17, and so on. So now with the expression I can see that I'm able to do multiple things which is not possible by using just selecting just single words. Let's take another example, and in this we are seeing this is another type of things like 2000 and 2008, but I don't know that it is only this is written or there is some different range also. So trying to find this. So let's, I know this is four words, 4 digit and 4 digits. So how can I write? I can write like this: 4 digit minus slash d 4 digit, and let's try to find. So see, we found 46 around things, and this is like 2000, 2008, 2021, 2000, 2006. But this is the issue, right? Because this is not the correct. We just wanted years like 2000 or something like that, or some range. But this is a big number. This is not a year. So this expression is also taking that this is okay. This is matching with expression, but it's not really matching. So how can I fix it? I can fix by adding space, and by adding space. So now what I'm finding, so this is something like it's starting from space, or 2000, 2008, 11, 12, 1991, 1992. A simple example. Okay, let's go to another example. There's a lot of data. Okay, okay, let's do with examples like some kind of uh, this data with January. So I can see there's a pattern like some January 26, 1837, January, something like that. So let's assume I know this is the only pattern. So how can I find that? I can write a pattern for this also. I can write pattern will be, so this pattern is like something is some words, then space, then some digit, then comma, then space, then words. Not the words, the digit, the 4 digits. So this will be like words which I don't know how many words it can be, for example. Then I know this is a space, and then I know there is some digits, then there is a comma, then there is a space, and then there's a digit. Let's see if this work or not. Okay, so I think this is working properly. No, but this is making issue over here also. Okay, so how can I fix this? Okay, so in the expression, I know this is the issue. Issue is, first issue that I know the last 4 digit is in 4 digit, and here is 2 digit. Okay, now it is able to find approximately so many years or dates basically. Okay, still there is some issue. The issue is it is taking another space also. Means not space, but it is selecting another word. So issue is with, I think you have found it. This is with issue with space. I can add space with this. So now I can see this is okay for me, but still let's assume I know there's something. mm, I think for this is working good.